Excuse me. I don't know if it caught my coughs or not, but excuse me if it did. But we are back with our next match. Now, making his way to the rings from New Orleans, Louisiana, weighing 238 pounds, Butterscotch Lightning. This is the first time we've seen Butterscotch Lightning since he lost his title at TCW Unleashed. Waiting to invoke his rematch clause. He's making his way to the ring. Looking confident as ever, but you know he has to be. He's got to be hurting now that he's no longer the men's world champion. And his opponent, from Tokyo, Japan, weighing 239 pounds, being accompanied to the ring by Big Dave, Johnny Touchdown. The All-Americans are making their way to the ring. This is singles competition. But it definitely looks like Big Dave is going to stay in the corner of his partner for this match. There's the bell. Both men lock up, and Johnny backing the former champion up into the corner. Clean break, but Johnny goes right back at it. Side headlock. Looks like a top wrist lock. Oh, before he slams Butterscotch Lightning down hard. Johnny Touchdown, staying on top of Butterscotch Lightning. Head scissors takedown. Oh, and a stomp to the side of the face. Butterscotch with a boot to the head. Float over DDT. Butterscotch pulling at the leg and letting go quickly before Johnny has a chance to break free of it. Now wrenching at the neck, but a well-placed shot to the midsection breaks up the hold. Oh, and a flurry of strikes and a DDT by Johnny Touchdown. He knows he's in the ring with the former men's world champion. Wrenching at the back. Butterscotch slips out of the hold there. Oh, what side headlock, but reversed into a Northern Lights. Kick out at one. And a gut wrench slam. Johnny egging the former champion to get back to his feet. Oh, and a drop kick. Takes the All-American down. And a suplex. Butterscotch Lightning trying to swing momentum in his favor, and thus far has been able to do so. Johnny slows it down, though, with the knee to the face. Johnny sent up and over. Oh, and a draping neck breaker. Oh, and a drop kick to the back. Butterscotch Lightning showing why he was the former champion, why he was so dominant for so long. Oh, and a kick to the lower spine. And the cover. Johnny kicks out. Butterscotch went for the kick to the back, but Johnny slipped out of the way. But he gets caught with a big snapmare takedown, and there's the kick to the back. But it just seemed to anger Johnny. Powerbomb! Johnny with a sit-out powerbomb. Oh, he went for the blitz, but it got reversed into a DDT! Crackling kick! Johnny blocked the shot and returned one of his own. Oh, but a knee to the midsection. Neck breaker. Oh, and a knee to the lower back. Butterscotch still in control of this match right now. Northern Lights suplex. And the cover. Johnny kicks out. Butterscotch wrenching at the neck. Johnny fighting his way to his feet. Oh, and another well-placed shot to the midsection breaks up the hold. Oh! Spike DDT! And the cover! And the former champion kicks out. Sorry, I'm not used to having to say that. Johnny was in disbelief. Springboard moonsault. But Butterscotch Lightning, the former champion, is still in this match. Johnny couldn't believe it, but he went back on the attack real fast. Oh, and slams the ankle down hard. Johnny getting pumped up. His partner staying in the corner, keeping an eye on things. As Johnny just rains down right hands into Butterscotch. Over a DDT, but it's reversed into a Russian leg sweep. Jawbreaker after Butterscotch Lightning was in control for a little bit. Oh, spine buster! Butterscotch rolled out of the ring though quickly. Big right hand by Johnny. Going for a scoop slam, but Butterscotch slipped out. Oh, and a big back suplex. And the cover. Johnny kicks out. Butterscotch wisely staying on the attack and putting the boot to the spine. He's going for a crackling kick again. This time he's tuning it up. Oh, Johnny ducked it. Oh, but he didn't duck the right hand. Oh, and a back suplex. Oh, and a DDT. Diving forearm. And another one. And a Pele kick. Johnny sidesteps the crackling kick again. Side Russian leg sweep. Spike DDT. And the cover. Oh! Butterscotch just got the shoulder up. Johnny touchdown arguing with the referee. But This guy has eyes set on. He's going for it again! And he plants him again! In the cover! And Johnny touchdown! Wins it! An amazing match between Johnny Touchdown and Butterscotch Lightning. It was so back and forth, but Johnny did his homework and dodged several crackling kicks. And with the spike impaler DDT, after two in a row, was able to put away Butterscotch Lightning. Johnny was looking for a big win, and he definitely scored one tonight.